All right, friends, we're back. Hope this finds you well. So for this month's Design on the Fly, I'm thinking of using the Light Academia and maybe this chain reaction. We'll see what comes up as I check this out. Not quite sure what I want to do. Let's see what we've got. Something about, I really like these beads, but I'm not quite sure what goes with them. This red's really pretty. Could do something like this. Maybe with these on the bottom. Just something real simple this month. Yeah, I think I kind of like that. Just real simple earrings. Why don't we do that? Some real simple earrings. Okay, so we need some things to make this happen. Okay, I got my box of findings here. Make this happen. So there's two ways we could do if I have long enough head pins. We could do it that way, but they might not be long enough with that. Yeah. So I might have to go the route of making my own, which is not impossible. It's definitely feasible. Let's see, check out some of these metals I have here. See if I can find a good color to do it with. I don't want to have the metal stand out too much. I'll go with this one. So you can unwrap some of the wire, and then I'm looking for my Nylon Jaw Pliers. They're always handy dandy. And then you can take them and help straighten out some of the wire. There we go. Make sure it's long enough. And then we need some cutters. I'm going to get a second piece about the same length. You can definitely find wire on Jessie James beads. So it's not an issue. They have all kinds of different colors. Okay. And I believe they have cutters and Nylon Jaw Pliers too, but I'm not 100% sure. All right. So let's see if I can remember how to do this. I'm just going to make a wire wrapped loop here. With my arthritis, I'm not the best at wire work, but we get the job done. Hopefully you can still see my hands. I'm just trying to get it a little more straightened out, nicer. Trying here. Whenever it gets kind of funky, you can always pull out your nylon jaw pliers and straighten out a little bit. All right. So not perfect, but it should do the job down here. There we go. I think that looks really, I love that combo. And I could hang a tassel off of here and find a tassel to go with that. This wire's a little soft too, so it's very malleable. So there's different, it's probably like a 22 or something. Feels very soft to me. And there we go, another wrapped loop. Get my flush cutters, get in there, get that trimmed. I got one down and one to go. I find it easier once the beads are on the wire to do the wrapped loops. But since it's so soft, most of this I can do with my hands. But when it's a harder wire, you'll need to use pliers more. And then you can come in here and try and squeeze it together to make it look a little neater. That's what I'm having trouble with, because I didn't do too many loops in there. There you go. That looks a little better. And slide on your beads. Or I could put, I don't know if I want to do that. Now I'd rather have like a tassel to look in my tassel collection, see if I have any. Uh-oh, it's coming out all sides. And another wrapped loop. So you fold over, turn your round nose pliers, fold it back over, and then I like to flip it. So see how it you want to break the neck, and you flip it, and you bring it around and close everything off. And then you just fill in that space with your wire. And then you come in with your flush cutters and trim it up. Make sure you point, always point when you trim your wire, always point it away from your face. And if you don't wear glasses, make sure that you wear safety goggles. All right, so let's find some ear wires. I think rose gold might go nice. I'll go with the wire. And then let's see if I can find a tassel to go with this. Yumminess. I think in my other, I had some black tassels. Oh yeah, I think that would work. They're gonna be really long, but I think that works. I think the red might be, the red would be smaller. Let's see. Yeah, no, I like the black. So we'll go with the black tassels from this, my other bead haul mix from this month. Alrighty. So we are going to need, where's my some jump rings. Let's see see if I have any in this box. One and two. Well, maybe if I can get two of this lighter color. It's not as bold of a pink. I mean gold. Like, I don't think these are open though. There's different kind of jump rings. There's closed, so these are closed. They don't have a hole. So in this instance, they won't be helpful to me. And then these are open, so you can get into them. There's the hole. And then take two sets of pliers. It's my really needle nose pliers I just got from my friend Trish. And there's our tassel. Oops. Helps if I put it on the earring first. Oh, silly me. There's the second one. They're really long, but I like them. And now, so you'll always, with your pliers, open it like that. Not this way, but always forward and backwards. That way it doesn't distort the rings. And then these earrings have a hoop on them, so you don't need jump rings for these. Hopefully I didn't go off screen too much there. And there we go, folks. There are our earrings.